Welcome to Planter Garden TV, guys. What's going on, guys? How you all doing? Happy gardening to everyone. Don't forget to hit that like button if you haven't subscribed. If you didn't hit the notification bell, hit the notification bell, guys, because here we give it you direct. We show you the truth. We show you how to use what you have and create a successful garden. Yes. All right, so the topic today is basically transforming the backyard into a food forest. This is the goal I'm going to do right now, because as far as I'm seeing, I have a lot of different plants in this food forest. Yes, it needs cleaning up right now, but at the end of the day, man, the rain come and the grass them just growing wild. So now I got to put in the work. So now I want to clean it up and basically extend it to a food forest instead of a backyard garden. You see what I'm coming from, guys? Yes. So welcome, guys, welcome. Let's enjoy this video together, guys. Let me show you what is going on here. All right, so this is Planter Garden TV, showing you live and direct. Now, my goal is to transform this backyard into a food forest. A beautiful food forest with lots of different flowers, lots of different hibiscus. Because hibiscus, we know hibiscus have its benefit. A lot of people use it for tea. A lot of people use it for different purpose. We also try to plant roses that we can come outside and pick fresh rose for the lady. You know what I'm saying? Just, you can't leave that out, you know? If you notice on the ground here, you're going to realize this hibiscus tree has dropped a lot of seeds. And under them is, listen, is hundreds of hibiscus plant just growing. Oh man, these roses smelling, these smell really, really well. So it's good to have that you can always have fresh rose to pick for the lady. All right. So we have lots of flower trees. We have beautiful flower trees. We have crepe myrtle. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4. We have like 6 crepe myrtle. We have the red one, which is this one. We have the red one right here. We have the red one, and this big one right here is actually the white one. The white one right here. These are real beautiful. Even these plants here have their benefit as well. Just do your research, guys. On here we have all different type of plants growing, flowers, lily, all different type, all these things. We don't even know what they is, but we know if you give them an animal, a sheep, a donkey, whatever, they're gonna be eating up everything here. So we have an idea that these things is have some kind of purpose. All right, so this is another crepe myrtle here. So all right, let's go down to, this is elderberry. These are elderberry growing up here. So let's go down to the garden. Now all in this area here we have food growing, which is edos, which already start climbing up already. Even in this area we have edos, we have squash. So now what we actually doing, we turning, like I now mentioned, we turning this into a food forest where we're gonna have all different type of food. We're gonna have banana, fruit trees, plus we're gonna be planting our own food. So this is a fruit tree right here. This is a cherry tree. I don't know, but this cherry tree ain't produce anything yet. We also see we have a banana tree growing up here. All in this area we have so many different hibiscus just growing up. This is another pear tree. This is a pear tree right here. Let me go around here that I can show you this peach tree. This is a peach tree growing here as well, doing pretty well. Alright, so this is really not a garden anymore, guys. This is not a garden. This is a food forest. This is a food forest. This is another peach tree. Loaded with peach, guys. Loaded with peach. Healthy looking peach. Beautiful. Loaded with peach everywhere. Look at these limbs up there. Loaded with peach. Even all here. Everywhere have peach. Anyhow, let's go back up here. Right in this area here, guys, we have corn and we have cucumber. We plant them together because we want the cucumber run up on the corn. So that could be like a trail itself right there. So the cucumber gonna run up on the corn. So we have corn here coming up here as well. We have cucumber and we have corn. So the cucumber gonna run directly on the corn. So the corn gonna become the trail for the cucumber. We have potato growing up there. Alright. So over this side we have sweet potato growing up over here. We have okra growing in this row over here. You see that sweet potato? And these are okra coming up in this area here. These are burdock. This is burdock we have growing here. Okay. There was an avocado tree right there. I transplant it and take it down to the bottom. We have potato growing right here as well. We already plant them. They're going to be very soon. If you notice, we have beans. These beans, I think, is llama beans. I already start creating the trail for them. So this is basically what's going on. We have llama beans growing. We have like 4 different type of mints growing in the garden. Like definitely 4 different type of mints. We have our herbs. We have our sage. We have our rosemary. So basically we have the herbs. So here we have the herbs, we have the fruits, and we also have the edibles, the broccoli, the cabbage, the potato, the edo, all these different type of stuff. So we create a garden that can always provide for us every year. So when you talk about the mint come back every year. So we ain't got to replant mint every year. Mints come back every year. So this is really awesome. You see? Then we have the edos that comes back every year. Like these are squash. These are squash and I just plant them really thick. And I'm not transplanting them. I'm just allowing them. I want to see how they're going to work with each other. If I create the trail, then I give them a big pile of dirt around them. Let's see how that's gonna work. So all this is chocolate mint right here. I mean, ain't this a blessing? So right here, this is onion, and if you notice, chocolate mint just growing up all around here. All this is chocolate mint. It's just growing up all around there, guys. All right. So in this area here we have bell pepper. You see my boards them, guys? That's my boards them, yeah. In this area here we have bell pepper. And around the bell pepper, I have some beets growing around the bell pepper. So all this whole area here, come right back down here, is bell pepper. Go straight across there is bell pepper. All right? Over here we have our little herb going on again, which is kitchen herb, which is parsley, rosemary, catmint, calincho, lames. We just have it going, guys. This cannot be a backyard garden no more. This is considered a food forest now, because it's food everywhere, the forest is around, and everything is just growing so well. In this area we have eggplant, which these eggplant start to show sign of growing. They was really struggling because I plant them all, I think it's all in April, and the weather was so strong. But now we can definitely see some growth, some healthiness going on, which is really awesome. Down over there, so we have all our edibles growing. That's our edibles growing. Our leaf. So this up in this side, if you notice, we have pepper here as well. Oh wow, these peppers start producing already. My goodness. I know plant these peppers. And we also have our tomato, which I already start staking them out already. So we have the tomato growing up nice. We have pepper. We have our lemongrass, guys. We have about 8 to 9 lemongrass growing. And over the side over here, this is where we have Edos growing. We have Edos growing over here. You see, that's Edos. This whole patch right here is Edos. This whole patch. All right. So over here again, we have more squash. We have more squash growing up here, which I'm not transplanting either. I'm definitely leaving them to grow. I'm just creating trail. Also again, we have more here. And if you notice here, we have some tomato growing. Okay, and these tomato, like they start producing already. Ain't that a beauty? Ain't that a beauty? We have this one also start producing. This is an eggplant. We have burdock. We have comfrey plant. This is the burdock spreading itself really well. It did well last year. I had it over there and it dropped some seeds. So all these are the babies. This one, that's a baby for the burdock coming up here. All right, so all this is bell pepper. If you notice, man, these bell pepper start pushing out flowers already. Yes, that's a good thing, guys. You set your seed or you set your seed early. Some people say wait for 6 weeks. No, I set my seed all 2 months ahead because I want them to, by the time I transplant them, they must be ready, getting ready to push flowers. So I don't do it 6 weeks, I do it 2 months, maybe 2 months and a half sometimes. And right here, guys, this is my beautiful grapes. I'm really looking forward this year, so I'm just trying to be cautious. But they're looking so healthy. This year, the vines is on another level of growing. It just looking beautiful, the vines. And I have it coming all around here. And I'm basically gonna run it, go down on this thing right here. This is an apple tree I have right here. This is also another apple tree I have here. And these are wild berries. Wild berries, guys, that you could just come. Well, I eat them. I'm not gonna tell you guys to go out and eat anything, but I eat my wild berries them. This is another apple tree here, looking so healthy, guys. These are potato. This is potato coming up here. And this is a massive plum tree that have plums everywhere. Look how much plum it have, and just this limb alone come down here. When you look up there, let me see if I can, let me see. I don't know if you guys can see, you see? Man, there's plum everywhere. Yes. So yes, we have a plum tree here. We have garlic growing up down there. We have fruit, different type of fruit trees. We have blueberry growing, which is, this is our blueberry right here. We have nectarine. This is our nectarine as well, growing up right here, nice and beautiful. And here we have our fig. And this is our fig again. And this is another apple tree right here. And right here, all our edos is just coming up out the ground, which is beautiful. And up in here now, this is my banana tree that I protect this last year. And what I've noticed the banana plant sprout right there. So yes guys, it's so great. I'm so grateful. I don't know if this one gonna sprout as well, but I know for sure this one already get sprout to push fruits. So yes guys, thank you all, man. I appreciate you guys. Thank you all for all the support. Thank you guys. Don't forget to support this channel by hitting the like button. I'll truly appreciate it guys. Thank you all so much. Peace.